Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about module number 2, that is transmission line parameters. Here we are going to discuss about inductance of three-phase lines with equilateral and symmetrical spacing. So inductance of three-phase lines with equilateral and symmetrical spacing. So according to the given name, that is inductance of three-phase lines with equilateral and symmetrical spacing. According to that given line, here I am taken the three conductors like conductor A, conductor B, conductor C, and there is a equal amount of spacing these three conductors. So the distance between conductor A to B, D, B to C is again D, C to D is again D. Therefore, consider a three-phase line. Consider a three-phase line consisting of three conductors whose conductors names are A, B and C as shown in this figure. So this is conductor A, this is conductor B and this is conductor C. And these three conductors are equally spaced, that is the diameter D between A to B, B to C and C to D. And equally spaced at the corners of an equilateral triangle. If you see here, an equilateral triangle has been existed here. If you see that any side of this triangle offering a distance capital D, either BC or CA or AB, having that equal amount of distance, hence the triangle is called as an equilateral triangle. In that shape, these three conductors are placed and having a radius R. If you look at here, a radius R is there from center strand of this conductor to its surface of the conductor. So if you take any side, it having a radius R. R is equal diameter, total diameter of the conductor D divided by 2, small d divided by 2, small r is equal. Okay, this is about that how the three conductors like conductor A, conductor B and conductor C, which are equally spaced and all the corners are placed like an equilateral triangle and having that radius R from the center of that any conductor, even not only for conductor A, if you see that conductor B, it having the radius R from the center of the conductor to its surface of the conductor. Either even if you see for the conductor C, having a radius R from center of the conductor to the surface of the conductor. Now the flux linkage of conductor A is given by, as we know the flux linkage of one conductor, mathematically we know the expression from previous topic, that is Ia is equal 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7, that is absolute permeability, Psi is equal to 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 constant into Ia into ln of 1 by r dash plus Ib into ln of 1 by d plus Ic into ln of 1 by d. So this is the mathematical expression what we are seeing, what we are taken right directly from previous topic, because this is the already predefined formula. So for this here we are going to express as equation number 1. If the currents are assumed to be balanced, because we are taken that three conductors, those are symmetrical conductors having same amount of current. Ia is nothing but equal to Ib, Ib is nothing but equal to Ic, but according to the direction of currents Ia, Ib and Ic, that means if you take that any one of the node, therefore there we apply the Kirchhoff current law. The algebraic sum of the currents Ia plus Ib plus Ic is equal 0. If all the currents like Ia plus Ib plus Ic is equal 0, then from here, from this equation I can write that Ia current, Ia is equal to, if we send this Ib and Ic to that side, then Ia is equal minus of Ib plus Ic. Similarly, if I send this minus of Ib plus Ic, that is minus sign to that side, then Ib plus Ic is equal minus Ia. So I can write that formula Ia plus Ib plus Ic is equal 0. From here Ia is equal, if you send Ib and Ic to that side, it becomes as minus Ib minus Ic. If I take that minus is common here, I can get minus of Ib plus Ic. If I send this minus to left hand side, I can get that Ib plus Ic is equal minus Ia. So express these two are like equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now I am going to substitute that equation number 2 in equation number 1. If I want to substitute that equation number 2, that is minus Ia is equal IB plus IC in equation number 1. I want to see that where is that IB and IC terms here. In this formula, there is flux linkage of conductor A, there is IA is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 IA of Ln into 1 by R dash plus IB into Ln of 1 by D plus IC into Ln of 1 by D. If you see here, IB into Ln of 1 by D plus IC into Ln of 1 by D, if I take that Ln of 1 by D as common, I may get that IB plus IC. So again this IB plus IC I can rename it as minus IA. Therefore, if I am going to substitute this IB plus IC, then I can write that minus IA after simplifying these two terms like IB into Ln of 1 by D plus IC into Ln of 1 by D. So once I am going to replace IA with IB plus IC after doing simplification at here, I may get this equation, that is IA is equal 2 into 10 to the power of minus 7 of IA into Ln of 1 by R dash minus IA into Ln of 1 by D. So according to that, the formula like log A minus log B, because here IA into Ln of 1 by R dash minus IA into Ln of 1 by D, IA if we take the common, we can write that IA is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 into IA here. The remaining expression is here Ln into 1 by R dash minus Ln into 1 by D. So Ln into 1 by R dash minus Ln into 1 by D, I can write that equation as like this. That is, here I may taken that IA in this equation. If I take that this IA and this IA common to left hand side, then the equation can become as IA is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 into IA Ln of 1 by R dash minus Ln of 1 by D. This is log A minus log B, log of A by B, like that I can write here. Then 2 into 10 to the power 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 into IA into Ln of D by R dash log A by B. So inductance of conductor A. So if the inductance of conductor A is given by here LA is equal psi A by IA, because we know the formula psi is equal Li, and we can replace psi as n pi. Therefore Li is equal n pi is replaced by psi. Therefore L is equal psi by I. But here we are finding that flux linkages for conductor A. So I can take here L suffix A is equal I suffix A divided by I suffix A. Psi suffix A divided by I suffix A. Psi suffix A means already I know the flux linkage for conductor A. That is 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 into IA into Ln into D by R dash. Here IA and here denominator IA is there. If this IA and denominator IA both are get cancel each other, the remaining equation is LA is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 into Ln into D by R dash. So let us take this equation as equation number 3 at here. So from these equations here we conclude that because of symmetry. What is symmetry here? The symmetry here is nothing but the conductors, three conductors like conductor A, conductor B, conductor C, all are symmetrical conductors carrying the same amount of current. That is, conductor A carries the current of IA, conductor B carries the current of IB, conductor C carries the current of IC. But according to our simplification, for better understand, here I can take that IA, IB and IC. But IA magnitude is equal to IB, IB magnitude is equal to IC, and IC magnitude is equal to IA. Because the network is a symmetrical network, hence the currents are symmetrical currents. Because of symmetry, the conductor B and C carries the same inductance as that of conductor A. Then I can write the formula, that is LB is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 into Ln into D by R dash, and LC is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 into Ln into D by R dash. So this formula is same to find out that inductance of conductor A or inductance of conductor B, inductance of conductor C, because if the network is a symmetrical network, then it having the equal amount of impedance or equal amount of resistance or equal amount of inductance. So equal amount of inductance takes place in the conductor A, conductor B and conductor C, hence equal amount of inductance is there in conductor B and conductor C once we calculate for conductor A. Therefore each phase consists of only one conductor, hence equation 3 gives inductance per phase of 3 phase lines. So this is the inductance per phase of 3 lines. So for standard conductor we write ds, where as single conductor it is replaced by R. That means in the place of R dash I can replace by D suffix S. To understand about that single conductor, it is replaced by R. Okay, thank you.